Just a quick one. We are defending in a rollback game. We must try and stop their team from advancing for as long as we can. Each time we die, we must pace back 50 meters to get back into the game. So, my goal is to blend in and be a menace for their team. Hitting and hiding will be my plan. I'm spotted. Let's take some down with me. Hit! Worth the shot. Let's try again from a new location. I'm looking for somewhere that's just a little greener around. That's a skill shot. What unlucky timing.
I think you're empty, mate. I'll take it, but I think you're empty. You had me dead to rights.
It felt unsporting for me to turn here, and he had me dead to rights anyway, so I'm more than happy to take the L and reset.
Well, you're empty on the first one. No, I think you're empty, mate, but I'll take the first one. No worries.
In hindsight, this location wasn't as good as I thought it would be. I blocked quite a lot of the light that would come through this spot, and it just gives my outline away, so we learn from these sort of things and we move on.
Fuck, mag. I'm on my loud mag, sorry guys.
People on the right.
Come on, man. Did you take it? Yeah, you did. Hold on, don't move. Oh, I've seen him. Don't move, don't move. Hit! Hit! Nice one!
I really enjoyed playing this game. It forced me to play a little differently from how I would normally, giving me my own personal challenge. Anyway, the inevitable happens and they take over the village. Thank you for watching till the end, it genuinely means a lot to me. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, it really helps a small channel like mine. Also, remember to stay honest and have fun.